Here we are setting up the rest of our bows. We're a little ill prepared, but better to get out and try it than not to do it at all. This is what we're going to be hunting at first. We'll go from there. Ooh. Oh, all right.
Oh, what the hell?
Oh, right there's one. Dad, right there. Down in there. See it?
Why we need a bow?
Oh, you shot over it. You got to aim low.
I almost got it.
You did almost get him.
Dirt. That was, oh, or it was next. Look right there.
Oh, you just skimmed its head.
Oh, I see it take it off. What the hell is that right there?
Where? Yeah, that's another sunfish, I think.
I think so.
You shot over it. You were like, that was really just over it. I hope I got some footage of
Got
that. That was a pretty good one. That was right close, too.
Man, I should have had that guy.
Cross it. All right, we're going to hug this side.
Oh, I see one.
Oh, I see one, too. All right, there it is.
Oh, right over his head. I didn't see him.
He was like really the same color as the bottom.
Yeah, he was pretty hard to see.
He was really blended in.
Man, deeper, deeper, deeper.
You guys, everyone's shooting over him. Get up here. I'll stand right between you two. You got the eye of the fish. Oh, there's one. Don't shoot that one yet.
Oh,
wait till we get closer.
Oh,
wait a
shoot,
minute.
he was going
Right
away.
there. Look at that one, Matt. Right there in the grass. Someone hit that one. You see it right in front of us? Dead set in front of us? All right, here we go. That one's easy. You don't even need to land that low.
Oh.
Got him! Got him! Nice.
Oh, I didn't think he got him. That was had to. I would have been so mad at myself. Like the arrow went like this and went into him.
That's what it looks like. He's fined him. He's done.
No, he ain't.
Oh, he got away.
Yeah, he got away all right.
Well, he's dead, but he got away.
Pretty well by the
Oh, there's one. Matt. Got him. Got him good. Who shot it?
Me. I got it.
Oh, it popped off, didn't
right
it?
in the freaking head.
You did, too. You nailed that one, man.
Oh, yeah.
Hurry up, Matt. I gotta get out of here.
I know, I'm reeling all kinds of shit up, tangled around there. That was a good shot.
That was a good shot. We gotta get one of these in the boat, though. I gotta mess him.
More than a 1-to-1 gear ratio. Here, I'll try to stand on your
Oh, there's one. Right at the tip of the tree, Dad. Get ready.
Oh, yeah. I'm shooting back up for you. You shoot, I'll shoot.
Way, not even close to low enough.
Wow, I can't get the hang.
You were so high on that one.
Yeah, he was.
You're good, Matt. We'll pull it up.
Wait for the 8 fish that just got shot.
Right there's a 2. Right there's one. Someone shoot that. Someone shoot it. Someone shoot it. Oh.
No, I ain't lowered hell on that.
You're not low enough. You were closer, but you still didn't get low enough. You shot over they were on the body and over top of every single carp you shot at today.
it's tricky, man. You gotta. I aimed way down.
Not low enough. Someone might want to keep an eye on that side too. Just kind of keep your eyes peeled everywhere, because they really can pop up. Yeah. But there's 3 right there, or 2 at least.
No way, man. No fucking way. Oh, stop! Slow down.
I'm not moving.
Okay. That never works usually.
Never.
Especially, I do that with ducks. Oh, I see one.
Oh, I see it too.
Him.
I see it.
That's all you.
Dad, wait for it though. We'll get it closer. I'll just creep up on him.
Where?
Right there in the middle. You see him sitting?
Yeah.
That one you don't even need to aim low.
I'm gonna try.
Shit. Just, Dad, it's lengthwise now. Tell me when you're ready. Oh, I got glare now. I can't see
Dad.
shit.
Can I shoot this far away?
You can, yeah. If you hit him, you shot to the left. No, you didn't. You shot to the right on that one.
But I still ain't low.
Yeah, but you would have hit him. You shot to the right. Oh, he's right there, Matt. Shoot him. Oh, that's a big one. That's a huge one. Oh my gosh, you just missed him.
I thought I hit him.
You just missed him. He went down his side.
I was like, oh yeah, that's dead. I'm going to pin him right to the ground.
I thought that was huge too. I wanted to get that one in the boat. Oh, there goes one. They're going everywhere. They're not happy right now.
No.
It's coming in. Head on. Head on. It's coming right at us, Matt.
Yeah, push my button.
Don't. Wait, he's going to give you a shot. He's going to give you a good shot.
Why
didn't you wait?
Because I got excited. Get off the fucking line. Got excited about that one.
Is this still recording?
Flash shit all over me, man.
Did that. Okay, on your mat.
Yeah. Oh, like 2 splatters. Probably.
Oh, there's one. Way up
25
there.
or 30.
Get ready, that will both shoot at it.
Oh, I see him. Yep.
I don't see him. Oh, yeah, I see him.
On 3, ready?
Holy shit, can't get this bow back.
Oh, I missed him!
Oh, shit, I was going to take him when he took off, man.
Bring you in, Dave. We're both through into the next spot. Not ideal conditions to be shooting with a bow for carp.
It happens.
Oh,
Just
there's one. Big one, Dave. Right there.
all right. Here we go.
Oh my gosh, I keep aiming low. I just don't.
That sounds restricted. That bow does.
Yeah, it's not.
It sounds like it pulls your arrow up or something.
Oh, look at all the carp that just took off. They're everywhere, taking off.
Somebody's going to be doing it. Somebody's going to be doing it.
You got gun shy, huh?
Well, yeah, it happened.
Oh, there, there. Oh, damn it. Oh my gosh, they were everywhere.
That would have been an awesome shot. I followed him right around and everything. I was open.
This is not the best.
Oh, right there, right there, right there.
Oh, shit, Mark, get him.
Oh, right over top of him.
Did I really?
Yep.
Just over top of him.
Right over
Oh
top
my
of him.
gosh, I thought I had that one too. I aimed low.
That was awesome, too. Man.
No, it wasn't awesome.
That was an easy shot.
It was not awesome. There's carp everywhere, dude. They just keep jumping.
Yeah, this is. I was wondering about this place. Like, oh, maybe we'll see 1 or 2.
There's got to be one by that tree. If you can get a good look.
Yeah, just I wouldn't even motor. Just float up in there. Holy fuck! It's
Oh,
What is it?
it is a monster carp,
Is it really?
and I'm pretty sure it's spawning. Oh!
oh man. You put it up again like that, I'm going to...
I think they're stuck together. That's rude.
Like they said with the elk. I couldn't think of a better way to go when they shot the elk that was spawning. Or, yeah, spawning. Oh. Is it still recording? Yeah, you're still good. What's that?
I'm glad you took that shot.
Why?
It was
It was.
real and it's gonna back in.
I mean, it wasn't really good. Oh, there, shoot, there's fucking, you can't miss. You got it. You literally couldn't miss. You got one. You got the biggest one. You got the big old.
You did too.
2 of them. How do you get 2 of them?
Yeah, that's cool. Gotta
Yeah.
make up for the ones I lost.
Hold on, we're
Look at those!
stop.
Get your ear in there!
Oh boy, here we go.
I don't think you got 2 anymore.
Good time carp shooting right during spawn season.
This is what happens when you get a late spawn. That's what happens. Because Norm,
Big one, man.
you still got
Well, get
that
up
one?
there.
Just the one now. Just the one.
He is a monster.
I got a net. You want the net?
Oh, you were sliding him. The whole arrow went right through him.
Yeah, I know. You got another one. You literally had 2.
Here, get him. Look at the size of that mother.
I'm trying to hold the camera and do this.
Biggest one I've ever seen, man.
Here.
There you go. Have fun.
There. It's alright. If you got a composter, I feel a lot better about doing that.
Yeah, oh yeah.
I mean, at least it's not. Alright. It is still getting wasted, but it's not completely. Wait, hold on.
There's so many.
I don't want all the grass in there. It's gonna fit. You're gonna see a lot of carp. Oh, there's one. Oh, Charles. That was not a good shot. It went down. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's huge.
Get him?
Are you still in him? Nope. Oh, you hit him though. That was a huge one. That was bigger than yours, Dad.
Broke the wire off.
Yep.
I hit him.
Huge.
He was big. That was a big fucking carp.
There's a big one, that huge one.
There's Mark shooting that on. Didn't get him again.
He's taking shots. I almost got it, actually. I think he even flipped off to the side of it. Why are they acting weird? Get that one. I'm gonna shoot again.
You're gonna see a big carp in just a minute.
Oh man, there's a big carp. Right there, right where I just shot the something. Oh man, it's wrecking them today.
Told you, you're gonna see him. Got him, Matt. Beautiful.
I don't have nothing. Arrows do that by themselves.
Matt is wrecking them today.
Oh, fucking drag.
That thing's working good, huh? That tip seemed to be pretty
Alright,
decent.
I gotta do it by hand. Get that reeling in. Get the club.
You want to hit him
Oh,
right
the
outside
net.
boat? No, just hit him outside the boat. That's a good idea.
We are shooting some big ones today.
There's a nice carp Matt got. Probably might be a little bigger than mine.
Oh well.
Oh well. There's a catch and release, so we let him go.
Did it work? Should have netted him.
What the hell? There's our big log up there where we seen him.
This thing's, it's like that one. No, this thing, oh my gosh.
Did you get him?
Yes, I hear you.
Matt, get one?
Matt, yeah, Matt. I literally think this thing is slowing the arrows down.
It does. That's what
Where is he?
You can't net it over my line. You gotta go on the inside there. All right. Oh, it's a mirror carp too.
He ain't got no frigged up tail.
We got him.
He's in
How
the
did
net.
this happen?
All right, we're taking turns with that
Yep.
one because I'm sick of you.
All right.
Get out of the way.
Let me get out of the way
I just want
too.
one end of boat. Let's go. And it's kind of cool on bubble eyes. You're still alive.
Boy, close that fast.
You thinking there?
No, but it starts splashing like hell, man.
There you go. I'm happy now. Mark's gotta get one.
Yeah, I guess so. I'll use it. Well, we're wrapping up our trip. Got the boat out of the water now. And we didn't do great. Matt had the hot bow. He was nailing them. Him and my father got one. And I got nothing. And snapped the line twice. So I had a bad day. But we got a few carp. And it wasn't a bad day. See you on the next one.